martial arts in self-defense, there are three types. One, situational awareness. Two, verbal de-escalation. And three, the physical. The easiest one that is used by most people and most often, even by the most skilled people, situational awareness. Simply pay attention to your surroundings. Do not be on your phone when you're out in public. If you have to be on your phone while in public, try to have your back up against the wall where no one can sneak up around you, and or constantly look up. If you can see something from afar, you have the decision to walk away, walk in other direction, right? You don't have to keep moving forward. If situational awareness fails, verbal de-escalation skills have to come into play, right? And if that doesn't work, then you're physical. But the physical is the last resort. We don't want to jump straight into the physical, right? So situational awareness would be your best technique, self-defense wise, to be able to protect you and your loved ones.